See, I don't do videos because if I do, when I go home, everybody says we can't understand because all you can hear in the background is Joy or you talking. Well, true, wherever I go, it says, ah, that's Feli, ah, that's Joy, ah, that's Joy. So. Oh, look at
We're here at the top of the mountain, guys.
Wow.
We're going to Victoria. Victoria ba?
Victoria.
Victoria's Secret.
Parang nasa Baguio lang.
Victoria's Secret. I'm trying to make a nice little video. It's like. Later, we will.
Ganyan kaya yun din sa Tagaytay. May makita kang punta ka sa Toktok tapos may makita kang ganyan bahay. Oh. Dito malamig. Pag taglamig, lamig dito.
Siguro yung bawal mag ano na
Nung bawal.
building.
Tayo na building.
Walang building dito. Bahay-bahay siguro dito. O bawal, no? Wala
Victoria
ba
Park is a Victoria Park.
It's named after Queen Victoria. Queen's grandma. Great grandma.
Victoria. The Victoria, the
After the
queen here.
Queen Victoria.
There's taxi. Madilta.
Bus din pala.
I think for me, if I can. Look how funny this is.
Wow.
Yeah, I like it up here.
Ito, Victoria. Victoria.
Yan siguro ang magka-cable car.
Sa Malaysia din, di kayo pumunta sa ganito rin. Meron din
Hindi kami pupunta ng cable car.
sa cable car. Dito yung cable car.
Ito yun siguro magta-travel sa